Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all fine. So, have you all watched the previous videos? Yes? Very good, my dear children. So, today we are going to finish chapter 2 from history. Okay, dear children. So, we are going to finish chapter 2 from history. Okay, so what's the lesson? From hunting, gathering to growing food. From hunting, gathering to growing food. From hunting, gathering to growing food. Okay, dear children. So this is the fourth video from this lesson. Already we have seen 3 videos from this lesson. So this lesson contains 4 videos. Okay. So next we are going to finish this lesson with this video. Okay, dear children. So let's start first. Towards a settled life. Towards a settled life. Settled life means how they started staying at a place. Okay, what are the things archaeologists have found as a reason they have started uh, staying at a place. They have started a settled life. Okay, dear children. So first, cooking indoor and outdoor. So cooking indoor and outdoor. They have started cooking indoor as well as outdoor. Okay, indoor means inside the house and outdoor means outside the house. So about in this we have seen in the last video itself. So they have started cooking indoor as well as outdoor. Then second, about stone tools. Archaeologists have found some stone tools, like they are different from Paleolithic tools. Okay, dear children. So that are called as Neolithic tools. So we have seen about that. Okay. Next. Now we are going to start with the third point in this video. So what is the third point? Many kinds of earthen pots. Many kinds of earthen pots have also been found. Okay. Earthen pots means using clay or some things they have made with hand, some kind of ponds. Okay, like this they have started making like this of pots. At that time they have used these pots. Okay, for what are the purpose they have been used these pots? Decoration and also for storing things. So what are the purpose, dear children? Decoration and storing things. Okay, next, people also began weaving clothes, making clothes. Okay, stitching dresses. Okay, people also began weaving clothes. Okay, dear children, people also started weaving clothes. Okay, using different kinds of material. Using different kinds of material. For example, they have given us cotton. So look these pictures, dear children. So this is not the exact picture. This is just to make you understand the matter. Okay, dear children. So this is not the exact picture you during olden days. This is just to make you understand what is weaving cloth. Okay, so they have started weaving clothes, making clothes, making dresses using different kind of materials like cotton. Okay, children, they have started making clothes using different kinds of materials. For example, cotton. Okay, dear children. So next we are going to see a closer look. Living and dying in Merha. Living and dying in Merha. So Merha is a place. So we are going to see how people lived and died there. So Mehra was one of the places where people learned to grow barley and wheat and rear sheep and goats for the first time in this area. So in this place, people started growing barley and wheat. So these are the two crops they have started and they have learned to grow. What are the two crops, dear children? Barley and wheat. They have also started rearing sheep and goats. They have started growing sheep and goats. At this village, many animal bones have been found. Okay, so this shows that there are many animals have been lived. Other finds at Mehra include remains of square or rectangular houses. So like this, they have found many square and rectangular houses. Okay, dear children. So this shows people have stayed in that place for a long time. When people die, their relatives and friends pay respect to them. When people die, their relatives and friends pay respect to them. So the dead person was buried with goats. That means after the death, the dead body was buried. That means digging a pit in the ground, and after that the body is put in that along with goats. Along with goats. So they thought these goats will remain as a food in the next world. They used to think like this person or going to the next world. So in the next world, these goats will be the food. Several burial sites have been found at Marha. So we can find many burial sites at Mahra. So what are the things we have seen? So first, the people started growing barley and wheat, and also goat and sheep. Next, they are found many animal bones. Animal bones like this are found in that place. Then many square and rectangular house also found. Next, when people die, how they will bury the dead body? They will bury along with goats. So they used to think like these goats will be the food in the next world. Okay, dear children. So we have finished this chapter. Okay, so this chapter has 4 videos. So you're requested to watch all the 4 videos together one day so that you will get more deep ideas about this lesson. Okay, dear children. The next, what are the things we have seen in this lesson? Okay, what are the topics that we are going to see quickly? Okay, so first, the earliest people, why they were on the move, why they were moving from place to place. So we have seen that as the first topic in this lesson, why they were moving. Okay, dear children. So that is the first topic. And next we have seen about how we know about these people. Okay, what makes us to know about these people? What are the things? Okay, next, choosing a place to live in, how they chose a place to live. Oh, this is a better place, so we can live here. How they chose that place. Finding about the fire, how they found about the fire and how they used the fire in their lifestyle. Okay, the next, changing environment, what are the main changes that happened in the environment that lead them to change from hunter gatherers to farmers and herders. Okay, so hunter gatherers, they are they are always on the move. So farmers and herders, they started staying at a place, right? So how people change from hunter gatherers to farmers and herders. Okay, dear children. Next, the beginning of farming and herding. So how farming and herding. So farming means growing crops and storing foods and everything. Herding, growing animals and storing them as a food and getting all that like milk or meat or everything. How they started getting from that animals. So all this how they have started. So how they thought of doing this. Next, a new way of life, how their life have changed in a different style. Next, towards a settled life, how they settled at a place, what are the reasons and how we can find that. Okay, next, closer look, living and dying in Marha. So we have seen a place, a Marha, how people lived and died there. What are the proofs we can find? Okay, dear children. So these are the topics we have seen in this lesson. Okay, dear children. So this contains 4 videos. So children, listen the all 4 videos. Wow. at one time and we'll get more ideas. And if you have any doubts, you can contact me at any time. Okay, dear children. So thank you. Thank you for listening patiently. So thank you, children. Have a nice day. So we will start a new lesson from next video. Okay. Thank you, children.